I'm going to show you the best trading extension to use for Roblox in 2025. Now I could ask a ton, how do I see the values in my trades? But I'll show you a screenshot that shows the values of like basically what everybody's talking about. Now with this extension, you're able to see the values of any item. It looks just like this. It shows you the gain, the loss, and there's also a lot of other settings that I'm going to show you how to apply. It's very useful because it stops you from having to go to rolling mons and asking like, oh, what's the value? Like it's no muscle memory. It just lets you see what the value is. So in this video, we're going to get the extension. I'm going to show you how to work it, what it works on, and just how to work it in general. The first thing you need to do is use Chrome. I'm not sure if this works on Microsoft Edge. I doubt that it does, but Chrome is really useful, so make sure you have this web browser. Now you could just search it up, but I like to go to Chrome extensions and then go to the Chrome web store. Okay, so no spaces. That's the thing that I did. So you want to click on it, and then this is the one because it has 168 ratings and it has almost 30,000 users. And don't worry, the developer is not using your data. Your account is safe. This extension is really popular. So you want to add this to Chrome. Add extension. All right, so you should see this pop up and then also teach you like how to go to the Discord server. Really the only thing you need to do is just go to the Roblox trade tab, and then boom, the settings should be applied. There's also some other settings that you can apply. So you want to go to your icon, click this, go to RoValk, and now you can change almost every setting. It's very useful. So let's see, values on trading window. Yes. You can actually add a send button, which like keeps the trade inbound without like taking it out. Notifications, yes, that's very useful so that maybe when you're like away in trade hangout, you can actually get notified when you receive an inbound trade. This stops you from missing any trades. Completed, sure. Let's add a send button. Oh yeah, when you do that, it's also another thing that this extension does that's really useful. Now there's another extension called RoPro, but this is actually not really built for trading. It's built for the site in my honest opinion, but it can also be very useful. So we're also going to add this to Chrome soon. This extension is not really necessary because it's not really built for trading, but I heard that it can enhance it just a little bit, so I'm going to check that out. Ooh, actually it does. This is very useful. It has a Pano info card, quick decline, quick cancel. I'm gonna show you what the info card is because it's really useful. So this is the info card. It actually shows the latest sale and it shows a lot of info, like 90 days all. And sales of an item is really useful. It shows legit the acronym, circulation, monthly trend. It shows a lot and it's very useful. You can even download the chart just to like get like a better idea of it. And then also with the extension, you can also blur the serial so that no one can steal your trade. That's a really good feature. It stops anyone from stealing your trade. I love that when I'm posting in like rolling mons because those people are evil there. I'm gonna be honest. Now RoPro had even more options and features, but this got disabled all because of the I think it's the PI that Roblox is using. So I mean, but another useful thing is projected warnings. This is very useful because it lets you know that an item is projected before you even get it. So let me try and see if I can find like, okay, so we're gonna use Seer as an example because it is marked. Now RoPro lets you know if the item is projected. So RoPro is really useful if you don't want to get scammed. Sum it up, RoValk and RoPro are really useful, and RoPro even enhances the whole site. Now what I think is better, I think RoValk is better because it shows like the values in the tab and this and that. So if you only want one, I would get RoValk, but if I were you, RoPro and getting both of them is really useful. That is how I trade. That is how I made 300,000. Well, that would be the video for today. Make sure to subscribe to Lontori and not Darkheart. Who is Darkheart?